Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today is another hilarious comedy, back-to-back hilarious. Watch till the end. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you've not, and do not hesitate to like, comment your favorite moment in this comedy compilation. Without further ado, let's dive into this comedy. Oh yeah, let's go.
Let me make great founder. Give me. Now you want to say.
But you never hold bridge. I want you that 10 years old. I still follow me the drag land. But sir, allow me buy this land from your son.
Wait, shut up. For how much? See, my plan is to wait for like 10 to 15 years so that when years developing, I cannot sell the land for a better price.
Okay, sir.
15 years.
Sir. 10 to 50 years, right?
Yes.
We'll wait. Right?
We'll wait.
Can you? They really don't know this man. For their mind, after 15 years, he must.
Good day, sir. This is Dr. Sweetie speaking. I'm sorry, sir. We just lost your dad.
Okay.
We still reach 10 years before he dies.
This is their plan now, and it has come to pass. You cannot sell everything.
Hello, doctor.
Sir, the Lord is good. Your father just came out of life. And guess what? He's on his way to see you now.
On his way.
When you see me.
Like, the painful thing is that he was driving the bike so healthy and sound. Let's see this one from Johnny Frosh. Play me.
Excuse me. Please forgive my manners. You're looking so beautiful. Do you mind if I have your number?
Number collector.
You chase a woman under the sun just to ask her for her number. Are you normal?
I don't think
Have you eaten this afternoon?
Yes, I ate rice.
Just give me 360.
360. You want to
Look
start?
at this hungry destitute. You're coming to stop me from my number. You must be very stupid. Try and do it.
Man, that's the what?
Hello. That's someone I want to tell that her purse fell down. If I see money and my luck.
Clapper.
Cash like bongo.
So it's been the one stealing this
No.
Give me my money, Jared. See.
Grab the money.
Like, I didn't see this coming, honestly. I didn't see it coming. Like, I thought the lady owns that purse. Never knew that they have been looking for the purse we saw their man. Let's take funny purse. This one is massive. And all these children, like,
You welcome my son. I don't want to many chababanya. These are my children. I want to know their future. You know the situation of this country. Let me not spend in vain. Even their mother have complained. In 1 week, they chop one bag of rice. You mean you want to know what they will become in the nearest future? Idiot. Drop something for the gods. Now, you will see in the mirror what they will become in the nearest future. Okay. You, come.
checking them one after the other. He said I want to spend his day. Okay.
I'm goof. Like more goof. No.
See that listen.
Victor.
That is a musician and he's trying.
Check my next child. Shaggi. Go.
What kind of a father is this now? Huh?
Whiskey.
Oh, this is...
Touch it again, touch it.
Just gonna throw this
Touch
on.
it.
Papa, you have not checked me. Papa, you have not checked me now.
I beg avoid you.
Let's watch this video.
The man doesn't even have hope.
Let's watch this.
Doesn't have hope for the children.
Here's the more. Check him. Okay, guys.
Wait, I want to say something very important, but apart from Bobrisky, like the rest, at least there is a hope that they will do well in the future. Fidelity is doing well for himself now. At least he can feed himself. Odumeje is a rich man. He's a wealthy man. We all know. Forget all those drama they create on pulpit. You know, let's see.
Today I'm in my boyfriend's apartment. I haven't seen him in about 6 months.
Visiting my boyfriend in his apartment.
I'm so excited. I can't wait for him to come tonight. See how excited my man is to see me.
Babe!
Oh, babe, where have you been?
Jesus.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Come, let's just take these things upstairs.
Babe, you have to go.
Why?
Babe, the guy
Because of
that
that
owed money
girl.
is upstairs, and I said to him that you're the one with the money. So you have to go.
Nasty? You're lying.
Jesus.
Who's the girl upstairs?
Girl, upstairs, baby. I met you when I was a virgin. I gave you my virginity. You think I'll be with the girl upstairs? Baby, no, nah. Baby, I love you.
Are you sure there's not a girl upstairs?
No, baby, just go.
Babe, money for Uber. Babe, gift card.
Oh yes, you can trade it with AJ gift card on WhatsApp. And besides, they are fast and reliable. You can download them on Apple Store or Play Store. They have the best rate in the world.
Okay, babe. See you later, babe.
Those are one girl for
Oh, babe, don't run away again, babe. Come on, babe.
All men are scorned. All of them are shown.
Please, because of Nasty Black, don't be seeing all men as that too. The background noise, the background sound is somehow funny.
Good afternoon, man.
You know Sabi greet.
But he just greeted you.
Mama, I greet you. I say good afternoon, man.
Ṣé bí ọmọdé ṣe mọ̀ ń kí àgbàlagbà nù. Tó bá fẹ́ kí tọmọ kékeré bá fẹ́ kí àgbàlagbà, ó gbọ́dọ̀ dọ̀bálẹ̀ nílẹ̀.
Mama, I know they hear Yoruba.
Ṣé èmi ni orí mi ò pé?
No.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìsìn yẹn ti bàjẹ́ gan. Mo ní o kí mi. Ó wá ń fi ọwọ́ ṣe báyìí fún mi pé orí mi ò pé.
I beg, no vex, I beg, forgive me. You never did to do me like this. I be like your picking.
What happen? You leave Oduma now.
Bro, see me, I don't do anything, now she do me like this. You know what to be like this? You mean say you hold up. Jesus! Hey! Can you tell me that you can leave her?
Boss, calm down.
Oh, boss, we have to calm down, calm down.
Jesus.
God have mercy upon us. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káalẹ́mà. Ṣé o tọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta?
Are you Viper the Viper that's greeting? You even lucky the woman came back.
This is all I want for Christmas.
Pull up, nigga.
Are you sure this is all you want?
Yes, this is all I want for Christmas.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
Thank you, baby.
Apasi, where's my stuff? Guy, what stuff? Give my stuff now. Why you acting like you don't know what I'm talking about? Have you want me to tell your girlfriend? Give me stuff now.
Tell me what?
Hold up.
Give me stuff. Bro, where's my stuff?
What's going on here?
Come. Tell me, what's this?
Let's have it.
Wait, you want me to open my mouth and tell your girlfriend that you are transgender?
Oh my God, I'm out of here.
I don't want to cast you.
Okay, you don't really cast me now. You don't cast me, my baby.
Why is he coming back?
You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay.
Since you all were acting, I have to play along.
I'm also a transgender.
Jesus.
Hey, why you not come now? I didn't knock any gender. Don't worry. So what's the plan?
Plan B.
Like, is it for real? I don't understand. Let's see this one from Agent of Laughter. And this one is, see. You will know that men weakness na small thing. No, let me not say anything. Let's just watch what's going on happen in this comedy compilation. Oh yeah, sit down. Like men. No. Just lazy woman just win you with his power because they show you Bobby. You don't forget that you play game you set for me. I don't enter one chance, and I don't know. Nobody tell them to come and return the money. This guy is a spirit man. That's the spirit at the bank.
My love. See, I know you have tried. Please, just endure with me. This is not our permanent cycle. This is just what for a while. Build with me.
Me and you together, there is nothing stronger than a power couple. Eh? You and I will build an empire.
This girl is too pretty to believe you. She will never want to be together.
That's me make I prosper. And when you reach
Yeah. This one now like crazy comedy.
Can't you be status?
Bob. Hey, wahala.
Jesus! There's a woman they call anymore.
That's what you preach love to.
He's the richest man in the whole world. He don't make noise. 3 times per day is what make one Erimos.
One Erimos.
Bob the builder.
Builder, we will build an empire. Like the worst mockery in the whole world. Like this is the worst mockery they can ever do to you. The worst thing ever. This guy, if you don't make money before, go and make money because of this mockery. Bob the builder.
Bro, for now. We don't get lights for our side. I featured my phone small for your place. Yeah, no, sure, no, hala.
What song is that?
Let's go. Come on, this tattoo go mad though.
You want draw?
No, I don't like tattoo for my body. No. Sleep play for charge.
What are you doing at a tattoo shop at 3 a.m? And this man is trying to figure out what he's going to draw, like trying to do some, some rough work to get his work right next time.
You like it? Come on now, I'm just bored now, so I just said I should draw you some tattoos now. Hey! Well, since you don't like this one on your face and your body, you like the one on your back.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth.
Wow, opportunity to draw more. Damn shit.
That's what they drew on his back. If you were at one, what would you do? And you don't like that too.
Young man, what do you seek from the great Akataboy boy?
Baba, you know this one at Ember Month. Okay. Very soon, Nigerian boys will soon they come back from Philippines, China, Australia. And once they come back, they go begin shut down. Baba, may they not catch me off guard. Me, I won't shut down too. I won't hold better money. So if I enter a club like this, they spray. Man like Chico could ask people, who is that boy? Who is that boy that is shutting down everywhere? I won't hold more money too.
I am going to summon the great Akataboy boy. When he arrives, you tell him your need by yourself.
I beg I wait.
He is here. Tell him your needs.
My son, what can I do for you?
Baba, just give me like $30 million. My carry starts. My the flex black balls and some kind of places.
You be mumu. What do you have to offer the great Akataboy boy?
Let's have it.
I get egg.
Is that egg from the scrotum of a man? Or is it from a fowl?
You son a fowl.
Fowl?
Yes.
Is that possible? Can that be used?
I'll be right back.
Up. He is on your need. You will get everything that your heart desires.
What's going on here?
Officers! Now him be that.
Bros, what that do? My friend, stand up. You're under arrest. Stand up. Come on, move in. Stand up. for offending woman and spirit. Brass, what? Like, reduce the money. Shut up your mouth. My mama, where's my mama? Where?
Can you imagine? That's how people for land of the living they behave.
Very wicked human beings. If they say better spirit knife for knock and madness. My God.
This is crazy. Like, God, no police.
Now I have been in my house. You don't go your house. Don't do your film everywhere.
Waiting be this.
Please, my parents are coming this evening. Please, you need to go.
It's a lie.
When she stays in your
babe,
house
what do you mean
for
to
so
prepare for
long.
them? Rice, spag, swallow. Don't worry, I'll prepare everything for them.
Now wow.
Hello, Lion.
Bro, I don't craze. That girl never come out from my house for 4 months now. I don't know what to do.
That girl face not dey tire you. No wait in my house for 6 months. I just push one come out from my house.
How you did one?
No worry, I dey come.
Oh, you're asleep.
All the thing well, huh? They're serious. So as you enter inside, you dey shout, cut the nyash, cut the breast, cut the nyash, cut the breast. So that she go pack her things, they go. You sure? Which one be I sure? They shout, cut the nyash, cut the breast. If you even shout, cut the head. Where they go?
Cut the head. Now you want her? She will just scared and faint.
Cut the nyash, cut the breast. Don't forget the head.
Oh my God. You didn't tell me you're not Banje.
You know me before.
Pio.
Jesus. Lord Jesus, take over. Lord Jesus, take over.
Baby, please, where are you? Baby, please come. I'm joking, baby. Baby, please. You can stay 5 years. Just come back, please, baby.
Jesus.
Who is this?
Baby, this is my mother, the leader of your branches. Huh? Aja branch.
Jesus. Don't die, my friend.
So now
Aja branch.
boyfriend, wait, tell me about this. This union is blessed already.
Alpha, may I pack our load come. We don't marry. Don't forget my ring light. Dance now.
It's not a real virgin, just a prank. You don't marry her.
Let's watch this video.
And no, this one is forever. Voila.
God have mercy upon us.
What's happening? What's happening? Enter. Thank you, boss. Alpha, what do you do? Okay. I do mistake, boss. Whiskey, Morayo Abo. You say what?
Jesus, my brain will blow.
Hold on.
Go what?
Go. Now why?
And
Now
then
why?
MC Keke.
Sorry. This can't be this now. For this time of the day.
Continue.
What do you do?
Me?
Yeah, what do you do?
Hold this man in the first place.
Run, no.
Not you. I just use my bus stop new.
Fear no go let you talk again. Maybe this time this guy will punch you on his face. Like, yes, that's why you just have to maintain your steez. So this one is BBL medical negligence.
It's not hospital. I'm not a medical doctor.
Oh, Boba.
Lawyer.
This one crazy.
I guess it's serious. Oh, yeah. Easy. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with Onyash?
I just came out of the theater.
Can I say it?
Brazilian boat leaf.
I will handle your case. We need to sue that bastard. We will sue that doctor for medical negligence. What's a boy? Do you want to again? Let me ask you. How much do you do, Onyash?
30 millionaire.
Wow. Okay. Your legal fees. Is 6 million naira.
Mommy,
we're not serious, so we cannot pay lawyer 6 million, but we're doing yash of 30 million naira. We're not ready.
You don't have 6 million naira, mommy.
Oh yeah, both of you come and carry out of my office.
Back there, mommy, please.
Just use it to wipe ya.
Oh yeah, stand up. Turn.
It's okay. Let me know you get that noise again. How you get to mock? Are you mocking somebody that is in pain? Is that what kind of a lawyer is this? You said we go do nyash, you pay 30-something million. You cannot pay for lawyer.
No 6. I'm on my way. I've seen the money.
Confirm.
I'm coming.
I like the fact that they talk true. They call. I don't get time.
I'm waiting. Things or things.
Never mind, I'll find.
Only you taking this? What if she didn't come?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Six.
Yes.
You don't reach?
I'm not close. The thing is, something came up. Yes, I won't be able to come again.
Madam, rise up and walk.
Yes, something came up.
Madam, man, tell you, the only thing wey don come up na my D. You better come here now before you see my other side.
Don't worry, I'll refund your money.
Where are you?
We don't need the
just
refund.
greet you. Where are you?
I'll refund your money.
I don't need refund. I don't need refund. Where you dey?
I said I'll refund your money.
Huh?
Jesus!
After this one, don't sing with. So, who is this Turkish ebony goddess?
So you. Wrong house.
Wrong house, bow. Madam, go like that bed.
We are in business. We are in business now.
Free. This one is God's end. With big backside. And you are taking.
You find finish. You smell nice.
Thank you.
Oh, Monica. So where have you been now? You just forget me.
I go forget you now. Walk now.
No, they talk that to you.
I walk. You fine, boy. They forget.
Have you all got all the chico you? Oh, mo. You can't go finish. See you now.
You get me now.
See my baby. What happened? What is it? What is it? Talk to me now. What is it?
Yeah, my brother. Good evening.
I greet you, boss.
I greet you too. You know, say Percy wife be that. You know, say that woman don't marry.
Marry? Percy? I don't know. They don't tell me.
Woman deal with man.
She don't tell me that one.
Come, give me ask first.
But you tell me say you dey go now.
Give me ask. Give me the ask.
Chama, never like that now.
Yeah, you.
Now, woman, you dey calm down.
Touch me again. If you ever take your hand, they touch me again.
So
come, give me ask.
Chama, never like that.
I respect.
Cousin.
I want my
I don't want to follow. I don't want to follow you.
For woman matter, you dey
Give me the ask. Give me the ask.
You calm down, boss. Never like that now.
My cousin.
Never like that. Boss, this is
Cousin,
Who is he now? Talk to me now. Who is he?
Madam, give me the
Talk to
ask.
me. Who is he? Okay, calm down now. Never like that.
Make your hand. Give me the ask.
What is going on? Okay, come now. Don't mind for here.
Flog your face, you please.
Okay, you can flog me.
As you talk, so I know the answer. You don't get your own sense. As if because that's how they cost. You know that's for flog the truth back.
Well, you go to calm down now. What is it for you? When you go to talk to me,
you don't know say the first way you follow stand. So now woman will born 2 children for.
But you don't tell me that one, babe.
Just follow her and go. You the yes.
You're not supposed to quarrel the man at all.
Okay, you dey calm down. They calm down.
Why you quarrel?
They relax your mind. No, you go to relax your mind. So you go to take a busy.
Follow her, boss. Not near that. Just follow her and go. You the yes. I no go call your mama. I no go call your papa. I no go call your family people about this matter.
Okay, calm down. Never like that.
They could just act like say nothing happen. Just follow am. You the yes so.
Come, let's go. Forget this man.
You call deliver now because you just see food. They the boy the press and you have to send up your fee. Call deliver.
Oh my God. Let's do this one with Shopofo. POV. Young boys slashing people, baby. Yeah,
For sure, I won't.
What is that?
Will you marry me?
Stop that thing. I know they see Shopofo. So one shop. You can sell more. But you want something come back.
Do you have a boyfriend?
If I come there, I will deal with you.
You know what they sing on Saturday weekend? Now I'm not getting money there on that. Baby, can come here, guys. Sit down on the beds. Sit down on the beds, baby. Oh, the azu. Do you love me? Do you love me?
Yes.
Do you love me? Hey, my baby. Don't worry, I will buy you Brazilian hair. Alpha, come. Find me go buy pot water. Ex-boyfriend, come. You are a young
boy. Ex-boyfriend. But this one is still crazy. We have missed him for a long time. He came with a crazy one. Let's see this one. I think this is the part 2 of that formal festival. It's Agent of Laughter. This one is a part 2 and it's very hilarious.
You the one.
Hey! Oh, you don't agree. You leave.
God did not finish me.
We are still dragging.
Will kill a man.
The girl still win you upon everything.
The work is done.
This is crazy. After showing her everything, and she also showed you her own, but she's still winning. That means the girl is strong.
Of this now? Eh?
She's strong.
Who
Forget
does food in
anything.
the kitchen? So when I'm not around, when I'm in school, you bring girls to come and cook in this house, Abi? What do you mean
How
by
can you say
stop
that?
now? Who cooks those food inside the fridge?
You know, say this thing is very suspicious. Tell her say na you cook am, she no fit trace am. Child of God, heaven and earth no say you know.
Come on, shut up.
Even to boil water make it done, na problem for you. that one day. Tell her say you order am.
I'm talking to you now.
Babe, you actually thought I'm cheating on you? Me? You will be say all my family know. Are you whining yourself? I dey tell my mama everything about you.
Yes.
Come on! My mama even like you past me. Hey, for real! I'm not attracted to any girl. I can't even hold a girl by the hand.
You are no.
I can't believe you're jealous.
Oh, babe, this was your mom knows me.
My mom knows everything about you. Everything I don't know.
That's a lie.
She can't wait to meet you.
Okay. Realize I don't need to be by your side. Don't worry yourself. I don't will convert my co-founder. Now partner you be.
You understand? I can't wait to even introduce you to her. Oh, behave.
Oh, babe, who cooks the food inside the fridge?
Who is at the
Who
door?
be that?
Hey, voila.
Momsi. No. Calm down.
I will beat you.
You need to hide first, Please hide. I want to introduce you special. I don't want her to see you. No, I understand, but you know the way they package you, give her, they are all excited. You understand?
If I hear.
Yes. I promise I'll call you. I'll introduce you, okay?
If I hear.
You know, you have the knocks.
This is not vex, mommy. Welcome, man. How was your journey?
Since when this woman enter your life? I never see woman where they nice like her. Very caring, can cook. Very nice to the family.
And this is not the woman she's talking about.
To give her a hug.
Mommy! Oh my God. Mommy, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. I've heard you've heard a lot about me already. I'm so happy to meet you. Babe, you did not tell me your mom is this young. We'll be twinning. Mom, this your son want to kill me. This boy has been stressing me. I've been waiting for the opportunity to report him to you. Anytime I'm in school, this boy will bring other girls to be cooking in this house. Ask him, who cooks those food? Who is this woman? Who is the woman? Answer.
Everybody will shut up your mouth. Now people like Una, they go scatter people marriage.
Marriage? You never married me.
Who are you?
His future wife, his fiancé, future wife.
Everybody wait. If not be say I be deacon to church, I forgive you the Your mama no say you there here. Your mama no say you there. Which class you there for this school?
I'm in level 200.
200. Don't give you father a pampo. You come another woman house. You come banners. They shop food while another woman cook. How many plates were you shop?
Not just 3
plates.
I'm eating it.
You eat the plate.
Sent to hell.
Agara.
Stop that for that place.
The mama no get joy.
So much children tell them not to sit down, read your book. You not go read your book to the fine husband up and down. Pass this side. Go lock the door.
Hey, calm down.
Another woman, she dey follow her gbero fight, she dey follow conductor driver fight for road.
And they tell you, may you go lock door now, you go collect.
Run, no.
Everybody, oh yeah, make una go down now.
She dey see us.
Also, you come person house, go sit down. They follow person husband, they chop food. None of them don't marry.
What angel?
He don't marry with 3 children.
Follow them down.
Jesus! You know, see who said he never hold another woman before? 3 children, I
Oh yeah, frog jump. Use your belly one. Oh yeah.
Belly?
Yes. This frog jump now your belly.
Why is the angel and the joining her to do it?
Use your belly.
She can't see them
my
now.
life, I never see person who useless like this doing. Now for him body, I know why Jesus wept.
He boss cry.
But the woman is not seeing, like, she can't even see the angel and the devil, but the few she's seeing them. And they actually let down the woman, the lady there. Wow.
Chairman, I beg give me coke. Chairman.
I'm not here speaking out.
Bro, good morning. Good morning, how are you?
What's going on here?
I want to buy biscuits. Biscuits, how many? 1. Thank you. You also give me coke there.
Kasongo, yeah.
Come on, give me buns. Buns, how many buns? 300. 300, okay. Thank you. Chairman. Chairman, give me fufu. Fufu, how many fufu? 2. Okay. So we cannot play with this one now. I don't be a sissy that turn to people. You know they see me at all. How you want make you see you? With this thing way well for body. Jesus! I mean, if now you go see yourself. Jesus! I bet Chairman, give me fufu. Jesus! Thank you. Chairman, give me coke. How many coke? Hold up. You dey see me? I dey see you now. How many coke you want, my brother? Jesus! I bet give me 2 coke. Okay. Hey, thank God say you dey see me.
Wait a minute.
What that guy order for coke now? Yeah, I mean, bring her. Oh, brother! You see that guy order for coke? No, me, I dey here. You mean they stand there since so? If you be saying don't come out. Which kind of nonsense be this one? Come on, now you are the fine now. Where you go? I don't dey here since now.
You guys don't weak. Don't try to be a Man City fan, please. So you don't get embarrassed.
I'm tired.
Wow.
What kind of thing is this? Everywhere is hot. I'm tired. You can't even take me out to go and see a movie. And you don't even have television in your house. What kind of thing is this? Listen. Listen. Before you met me, I was doing well. I don't got my friends to go and see a movie. Oh, what is this now? You can't take me out. You don't have television in your house. I can't take this. Listen, if you cannot get a television or take me to the cinema, I'm leaving this relationship. Do you hear me?
Women. Calm down now. You know there's a lot of privation, tremendous impecuniosity and destitution. You know, getting spondylitis is very, very hard. And I've been trying. I used to have a television. But you know how the state of the economy is. I had to sell the TV to buy at least 2 bags of garri. And that's what we will be eating. Now you're telling us to go to cinema. Do you know, one person in the cinema is 7,000 naira. I pay for the both of us and buy popcorn. Before you know, that's like 20-something thousand. Is that not enough to cook a pot of soup?
Okay, now pot of soup now. You choose pot of soup now over my happiness, Abi. In fact, I'm leaving this relationship.
No. Come now, okay. Don't worry. I'll borrow money. I'll take you to the cinema this evening. Don't worry. Come back. I'll take you there.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one? Come on for road. Principal.
Prof. My good friend. Bountiful salutation, my consanguineous and bosom friend.
This one that you came to my house today. How may I help you?
You know, there's a saying. Whenever you see a head honcho, high mokamok and gaffer propelling and galvanizing under a scorching sun, you know there must be some casting jammer and catch 22.
Hey, you're parable.
You know, I propelled here because some little issues. I've been having some gridlock, some quagmire, and it has been resulting to a pandemonium and cantankerous with my own inaugurata. And we've been having these issues because I don't have enough spondyles to propel and galvanize her to an emporium where they show a panoramic view of Homo sapiens. So I decided to come. If you can just bequeath to me some, maybe some infinitesimal and modicum amount of bottle, spondylics and ISP, let me be able to see that.
Bro, why don't you go straight to the point? What is your grammar? You're just making me laugh. Go straight to the point. Eat the nail by the...
Okay.
It's okay. See, the thing is that what I'm trying to say is that I've been having issues with my girlfriend. You know, I love her so much. And she has been complaining that she's bored in the house. I don't have a television. You remember, you know, the recession, things very hard. I had to sell my TV, you know, to get what to use and eat. You understand? So there's no TV. And, you know, watching movies is a hobby. And she likes going to the cinema. But I don't have money. If you go to the cinema now, before you know, you spend 20,000, 30,000. Now she's threatening that she's going to leave me if I don't take her to the cinema or buy a television. And that's why I came here. If you can just lend me even 20,000 or 30,000, let me just take her to the cinema today. Let her just watch movie and be happy to save our relationship.
It's a pity for you. Prof, in this present economy, I should borrow you 20, 30,000, take your girlfriend to the cinema. When you have cinema in your phone, don't you have a phone?
I do now.
Haven't you have lock?
Lock. What is Lock? Lock is an app that has all the cinema movies inside that app. You just type the name of the movie that you want and it's all over. You watch it there and it's for free.
Yeah, we download it now.
Download it.
Okay. Listen, I'm seeing different movies here. This is like a cinema with inside the mobile device.
I told you there are so many movies there now. Cinema movies.
You don't know.
To go and waste money in cinema. Just watch it on Lock. My brother, go and enjoy. Let me go inside and continue watching the movie with my new babe.
Very good.
Babe, you are missing the most important part of this movie.
Jesus! What is my girlfriend doing here? My friend, go, let her enjoy herself. Without cinema in your house, let her enjoy my cinema. After the cinema, we enjoy ourselves. Come on, go.
Open this door.
Gaga.
Gaga.
They are taking away your girlfriend because of cinema. The girl is cheap, sha. Voila, and you two should have provided it for her now. Beg, let's see how solo.
Sir, your food.
Dream world.
I'm not a man of food. No, sir, it's your food.
I know the chop.
Oga, chop this thing.
That was 2010, I'll be 2015.
Every spiritual food.
They even the first sample is for dream in the
like a bush.
When things were
like a bush.
Those days, you know. Versus
food no day for boys to focus.
2023.
No day even carry cross. Intros I don't turn to bogus.
You can't give
me chop.
Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus.
No more rice on a gari and granola. Even dream cost. The word cost go real.
Solo.
Guy, why you wake me up now?
Mommy, they call you.
We have one just job for dream. Now you wake me up. You the grace, I'm gonna kill you. Don't try again, no. Yeah, I'll go back with that with me to food chop.
No problem.
Voila.
Wait, may I go wash my eye?
Bread, oh, when I go chop.
Are you talking?
Wait now.
These people don't like you. Hunger day, oh.
In today's dream, no more food. Even you want to eat, they will not let you eat. Go your way. We don't want to give you food in the dream anymore.
Hey, my husband. You see this new second-hand gen where you buy? You don't try well.
My wife, God don't do it. You see this gen? I saved 25 for 5 months before I buy this gen. God don't change our story like this.
You don't try, eh? At least we're not going to lie down for darkness again. And this night, we're going to use light sleep.
But go inside and enjoy ourselves.
But my husband, you see that boy where they smoke? I don't trust that boy. That boy be like who go fit thief this our gen we will just buy. More carry and go inside, go on.
Okay. My wife, don't judge a book by its cover. Besides, if one is gen inside house, carbon waiting they call and go kill us. Go inside, go enjoy ourselves. Forget about this. I don't cover that with the blood of Jesus. Let's go. Don't worry, nothing happen to you. Hey, shut down.
This cold environment.
My husband!
What happened? What are they crying?
So you there inside house, you don't know what happened. What's going on?
Omo, no be small thing, no. They don't finish us for this compound.
What thing happened? Now this one they cry, Nobody's telling me anything. What is happening?
Na thief now.
Thief.
They don't rob everybody for this compound. Even the other compound said they don't rob everybody. You know that big supermarket where they for front? They finish the supermarket now. Then pack everything where they the supermarket, collect their money, then finish the supermarket. But waiting they pay me pass be say, they even they thief both people generator.
Generator?
Yes.
The thief gen?
Then finish people generator.
Jesus!
Oh, gen.
Now you get that small pass my neighbor, that red one.
That pass my neighbor over there.
They don't carry on now.
They don't carry on? How? My chest!
Tell me person say 225 for every month to buy.
They pay me or my wife for. They won't just buy. What do you want for to do? Nobody can do. They don't thief her.
You service suppose they thank God now.
What thing I go thank God for? The thief my gen is say make I thank God.
The person will thief your gen, then catch him.
He said, they catch him. Person thief my gen, they catch him.
The person will thief your gen, then catch him.
Even now.
Are you ready for the operation?
When
where you will thief that gen? Come on, carry that thing, they come here see so. Rubbish you man.
No be that boy. I tell you, when I look this boy, I first know saying be thief.
thief. So now you thief our gen.
You. Okay? Say be thief. Person wey catch person wey thief your gen, now you slap.
Not true. Don't judge a book by its cover. Hey. That's true.
What
There's
is
no way you judge a book by its cover. It's
consistency?
not
Very good.
Me myself, I didn't see it coming.
Consistency can be
I thought
defined as
he's
the
the one who stole
food
that gem.
from the sunlight energy to plant and animals which inherit their body nutrients to form rice and beans as a way of food. Whatever consistency na shege, na you plant and animal food. Very good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Mr. Mom, good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Mohammed.
How can I help you?
I'm having my show this December 17 and I saw you standing here because I always see you here as one of the responsible men in the area.
Oh, you're having your show?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. That is good. That is good.
The show is this December 17, Wako Rave. Like a whole lot of celebrities will be present on that day. Celebrities like Pokoli.
Pokoli they come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Egungo of Lagos.
Egungo of Lagos they come.
Yes. And a surprising guest celebrity on that day. Nicki Minaj. Yes, sir. Exactly. The one that has big bum bum.
That's very good.
So, sir, I would gladly want your help and sponsor to our community to make a great history on this Wako Rave. Because I promise you, it's going to be one of the biggest Wako Rave to be unleashed this December 17th, sir.
No problem. I can see what I can do, okay?
Jesus!
This is your event na 17th. Don't worry, I can see what I will do.
Jesus, sir.
I never spelled it.
You mean I should go and come back and meet you here again?
Hey, I will call you later. Just go and do some things, okay? Once I then see what thing I can do, I will come call you.
You were not informed too.
Judge, please. Our people are only qualified to guide pipelines.
Good luck with your event.
Hello. Elections pick-up lines. Let's see what is on this.
What's your name?
I'm Magna.
I saw you voting over there.
Yeah, why do you ask?
Yeah, I also wanted to vote, but I didn't find your name on the ballot paper.
Let him cut.
You're very beautiful.
Okay. Oh shit!
I would have voted for your beauty, but they said professionals are not allowed. Yeah. Are you a ballot box?
No, why do you ask?
Because I like to be the paper that will slide into you. And Mabna, you know what? Forget about this election. I have erection for you.
Don't fall in love.
Don't worry.
Crazy
I'm not just
election.
falling. I'm falling in love with you.
See, you know what? Let me just have your number.
Yeah.
Oh, no worries. First day I had something to for me. Elections pick-up line for real.
You see, I didn't just tell you. I'm tired of using my thumb to vote. Sometimes I want to use my fingers to.
Waris Ashawo, that's who you are. You having a lecture for your
Jesus!
Jesus!
Babe, welcome. Babe, my bestie boyfriend.
Bro, how far now? I've heard a lot about you. How are you doing?
Hey! I never hear anything about you. Who is this person?
He's my bestie.
Now lie.
Bro, how far?
Tell me, hold your hand first. Nobody play with children past man. We want to deceive single mother. Hold your hands.
Jesus.
Come, I come out here. You carry man enter this house. Say na your best.
No, he was just around the neighborhood, so he just decided to breathe in and say hi. He's about leaving.
Come, because I leave key for you. Come out. You get mine on gem, on AC. Bring man, come this house.
It was not like that. He even brought something for himself.
Ha! Are you serious?
Chema, how fun? How are you doing?
Come on, I can't jack a blood. Yes, sir.
I was about leaving.
Yes. Wait. Let's have it. How you take the pack? Give me updates.
Well, it's Zenitex.
Which one is Zenitex?
Well, Zenitex is a social media platform that helps you earn money just by watching videos on TikTok. Not just that, you can also earn money just by playing games that Zenitex has made available on their platforms. All you have to do is to click the link in the bio and sign up. Enjoy your money, my brother.
Thank you, my bro. Blood! Go see him off now. Go see him off.
If you don't even care about your girlfriend now, you don't even mind what he's discussing with the girl. Even he's toasting her. All you care about is the money. Rant day.
Honestly speaking, I'm angry. I'm so angry right now. My anger can win Lotto.
Offend you. Lotto winner.
Let's be guided. Let's know what we are saying to one another in this perilous and difficult and brutal times. The Wi-Fi I use in my house, they just called me now. The woman say, hello, is this Mr. Layi? I say yes. She say, oh, we just noticed your account has been inactive for a while and she wants to find out if I'm in town. I say yes, I'm in town. I'm in my house.
Cool.
She said she was just wondering if all is well. All is not well. All is not well. All is not well. She said because we have not seen your subscription, you can't see my subscription. I'm not okay. All is not well. Things are rough. I'm going through rough times. I'm struggling. Poverty sat me down. If you people decide to send four derica of rice with 2 packs of Maggi and 4 onions and share for your customers, it will go far. Your customers are hungry.
Is that why you're not subscribing?
Family issues left, right, and center. I get tackled on the wear eyeglass. Things are rough. Things are rough. Poverty is making love to people. Without condom. Hello, man. With your voice like Game of Thrones soundtrack. People are stressed. I'm still explaining my pain. The next thing she will say is, sir, we can't wait to have you back. You will never have me back. You will never see me. If your customers are hungry, poverty is making love to them in different sexual positions. Giving them. Calling to tell me, we can't wait to have you back. Have me back. Are you mad? Are you mad? If they burn you people well, from all the subscriptions I've been subscribing, let December come. And I don't see 1 bucket of rice, 1 bucket of beans, 1 bucket of semo in this house. And tomatoes, you see what I do to you. These all of you are running mad in this country. Idiots. Bro, if you wash this car,
I beg you. Let's see Ogaru land on this one with his bad mouth.
You love me when I'm broke. Of course, I love you. Yeah, you're really good. See, I don't talk to our own. I want to say
people
one
progress campaign Ogaru land.
Yes, ma'am.
Serious?
This love is sweet.
I know.
You might leave my heart then.
Let's watch this video.
Useless people. Every time, love. So I know you play sporty bets.
I love people they play by your mouth. One thing about this Ogaru land is his mouth. His mouth, I'm looking for the day this his mouth will put him in trouble. He does not see people happy and just walk away. Most bad mouth. Ebenezer on this show going along with rope on his hand.
Move that body. This is a brand
Ebenezer,
new witch. I need to be wise.
Yes, Nana, you know. Maybe he might give 2 million.
We will never see this comedy coming.
Hello, Alvin. Yeah. And for that guy will stand as guarantor. We collect 2 million for me. Where I give him. I just see another they pass with rope. He won't kill himself. I did that junction. They come. No. They come. I know your story. Due date never reach.
I beg.
Come. That guy will stand as guarantor. Will collect 2 million for me.
Why
Jesus? I see him himself.
Ebenezer.
What see they tell me?
You sure?
I see him.
You don't know that I get Ebenezer.
Relax.
Go check out. I'm not sure.
I don't stand for you for 2 million and this one take pay me back, Abi. Not like this. What I do now?
What you they talk? No be you carry rope, you won't go kill yourself just now.
You swear, see, you say you do this thing.
What do you mean? No be you I see say you carry rope, you won't go kill yourself just now.
You won't go kill yourself anymore now. If at all.
That rope what?
Afa, come on, you off my rope. What's the worry you? I never feel when you know the sun, you off my rope again. You see me to the bear go, but to the bear rope, Jesus, they had you. I'm gonna kill you. I'll buy my own rope.
Go try the shop where next time.
So poor man no fit buy rope. Me, I believe they tell us say you don't want to yourself. Poor man no fit go buy rope.
How you want to buy rope when you go 2 million? What you want to do?
And you to save.
Should I tell you say nothing? You slap me.
Don't die, you slap.
I'm the richest man in the state.
Don't ever use such words on me, please. I beg your pardon. I use God.
See when I want to do, I do. But on the 25th, when you pay my
village people
Alpha now.
carry my picture, put for shrine.
When you go sad me, I said when you sad me, out of me and you, what go take ground?
And I know the last comment of a fool.
I'll fight you. If you know you are poor, don't buy rope. It's not good. How you go buy rope? Going to buy rope for what? When
I got sir.
I did now.
Well, okay, sir.
Sorry, I don't know this face, oh.
You don't remember my face, sir?
Now?
Ola from Agbado.
So, how you doing now?
Fine, sir.
Okay, I brought you here for a reason, eh? Yes, I want to ask you, what do you want to become in the future?
A doctor, sir.
Doctor Shiwo, are you okay? Eh? Can't you be a singer? Can't you see the way Ashake is making it? Ashake is shutting down shows, eh? You can be like that too now. You have a lot of potential. Start singing, eh? Yes. When you blow, you make a lot of money. You know what I say? Yes, sing. Sing song, sing hip hop. Or there. Doctor Shiwo, who you don't want to be treating? Okono? Momo? All of this?
All the advice where you give me, it really work for me. I swear. Now you don't make me give up. And see my life now. I just buy this car.
This is your car? What the fuck? This is a big car.
I swear.
This is nice. This is so nice.
And I just dropped new album, sir.
Hey, on your.
It did everywhere. Lazarus.
Okay, Shank play new radio.
All play everywhere.
That's okay. That's okay. That's a
So because of the advice where you give me, I get something for you.
Let's have it.
What?
That's nice.
Give me your account number.
Ope.
Baba, I need to. But let me call your account number.
Ope. 22 45 68 78. God bless you. Eh? Are you married?
No, not yet, sir.
Okay, got married though.
Sent.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
I've seen it. God bless you. Yeah. I came to.
Baba, hold on. I don't do mistake.
You do mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now 70K I want send. I said 700K.
Okay, that's my problem.
I don't know. Maybe if you help me send the balance.
Okay, I want to say 70K.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's okay. Man, make a mistake. Stop making that mistake. Eh? I will send it back. Sent.
Are you playing?
Baba, I never see him.
You have not seen it?
Yes, sir. He never entered.
Look at it now. They've debited me now.
Baba, I don't see him.
I don't understand. Look at it now.
What do you expect to see?
What do you mean you can't see? Are you calling me a liar? Hola? When you shut up, man, I'm talking. Are you okay? I don't understand. Something wrong with you?
I've not seen it, sir.
Are you accusing me of stealing? Can you imagine? This boy is saying I'm lying. Send me money saying I've not seen. Can you imagine? This boy, I'm the one that brought him from gas to get. So no one anything. You are walking too fast. Now slow down. It's okay. Then go front.
Why not slapping another person that's just going his own? Because you're using him to escape from the person that sent you 700K instead of 70K. You know, you are slapping because he's walking too fast. People, this Babaka, I think is doing well. I think he's doing well. So thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation video. And I believe you enjoy this comedy. Like, I can't even imagine saying that this comedy is not hilarious. Like, I can't. Because since I've sat down here reacting to this comedy compilation, I've not seen any part that is not hilarious. I've not seen it. And please, if you know you find any part very hilarious like that, treat you the most, let me see your comment in the comment box below. Do not hesitate to do that, because I know a lot of you guys want to like watch and go. And secondly, do not watch and go. Kindly subscribe if you've not. Turn on post notification bell icon so that you get alert before any other person. And also don't forget to like and share. Comment, also comment. All right, guys, let's quickly dive into some funny review on this comedy compilation. First of all, let's talk about funny bros. Like on this one, how can somebody took his children to a native doctor, to tell him to check the future of the children, to know which one is going to do well in the future, because he don't want to spend money, so that he will know how he's going to be spending money on them, so that he will not be wasting his money. That is a very demonic idea, very demonic and evil. Funny bros, we never expected this from you. But two of them, one will become Odumeje, and the second one will become Speedality. But that Bobrisky, the one that will become Bobrisky, I think that one is very bad. I think it's very bad. So the father would know how to spend less on him. But this one that will become Odumeje and Speedality, I think they have bright future somehow now. What do you think? Is Odumeje not doing well? I mean, is Odumeje not doing well? Is he doing well? He has money, he's a millionaire. You know, he can go outside the country, take care of his children. Speedality is also doing well for himself. Forget that his career is not as, you know, high as we want it to be, but he's doing well for himself. He has a car, can take care of his family, can take care of himself. So why is he like feeling bad, like this? Why is he disappointed about the children? That is about that, but I love the comedy. It's very hilarious. Like the last one is, Papa, check me now. Check him. Papa, check Odumeje. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And I know this one is hilarious. This one is hilarious. And if you also find any part that, you know, is hilarious than this, you can also, you know, just state it in the comments instead of you swiping out, you know. And the other one is number one, Cool Prince. What is wrong with Cool Prince? Cool Prince. You buy and you still resurrected just because you just remember in the grave that you are supposed to, you know, sell this land at the age of this and that. You just resurrected. And the people that wanted to eat the money were shocked to see you. You were even, do you know what made me laugh in this comedy? The way he was driving this bike. Look at him. It didn't even seem as if he was old or anything, just like active to the location. This man is if anyone can be like this in real life, I'll give that person an award of the most selfish person in this world. Like, may God not let us see bad thing. May God not let us see bad thing. Or are we talking about Shopofo? Shopofo that has left us for so long. He has not posted any comedy. He has not given us any comedy. He has just been doing adverts, you know, for so long. And now, this is what he came out with. With this funny way to snatch people's girlfriend. Sit down on the bed. Sit down. I love the comedy. I love the comedy. Like, it's very hilarious. Very, very hilarious. And again, which one are we going to talk about? Should we talk about Waris? Election, erection. I love the lines, and the girl was even like surprised. And she was forced to ask for the number first. She asked for Waris' number first. And I think this is the best thing I've ever seen Waris done before. This is the best thing I've seen him done. He has not done anything that is impressive apart from these pickup lines. So what else? Oluwa Dollars and Agent of Laughter. Let's talk about this. First of all, Agent of Laughter. You bet money because of Bobby. You could not win. Just woman. If you win the woman, you were about to win. She opened everything. Wow. You see things and you are weak. She won you like. The next one, Oluwa Dollars. I think that is a part 2 of the first comedy. Yes. Oluwa Dollars. They showed him breast, but he tried to resist. Even as he was watching it, he tried to resist. And also showed her his own janga. You know what I mean? And the girl could not even, she didn't even mind that. She still hold her ground, you know. After everything, this time around is for them to show who is stronger. So the girl is stronger than Oluwa Dollars. For real, without showing anybody anything, without deceiving, without any trick, the girl can defeat Oluwa Dollars hands down. Because they both showed each other what they carried. And the girl actually won. That is crazy. That is crazy, honestly. That is crazy. And the comedy is actually nice. Very nice. Very, very, very hilarious. And I love this Papa Kayode, the ending. Someone send you $70,000. Someone was supposed to send you 70,000 naira and mistakenly sent you 700,000. You refuse to give him his money. You mean you go conda for your motor, whole lamb? For motor, they do. Maybe you have enough money. You have enough money. 700,000 is nothing to you. That's why you don't want to get back your money. I think that is the reason why. So that is the reason why. So without further ado and without wasting any of your time, I think we've come to the end of this comedy compilation. We've come to the end. There are so many. Like, do in anything you do, before we go, in anything you do, never you allow anybody to mock you like this. Marius was mocked so bad, like his own girlfriend and a sugar daddy mocked him so bad. You're just telling your girlfriend that things will become fine, things will be better very soon. You're trying to build an empire for them. At the end of the day, they gave you a name, Bob the Builder. Even came with trowel and all those working tools. That is bad. That is bad. I feel very sorry for him. I feel very sorry for him. All right, guys, we've come to the end. Thank you for watching to this moment. We're going to call it a day. Have a wonderful time. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Goodbye.